Hey guys, what's up? Today we are here with part 6 of rebuilding the Wreck Sierra. Today what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be sanding down the clear and then we're going to be buffing it out. This is going to be the last thing we do to the paint. So yeah guys, we're going to go ahead and get started. Alright you guys, so right now we went ahead and I didn't do anything. My brother went ahead and sanded down this fender, the hood, and the other fender. Right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this compound. It's gonna use to take off the haziness off of this. And after we're done with this one, we're gonna go ahead and use this. This is the polish, and this was to use to take off the scratches made from the buffer. Have you used these?
No.
Yeah.
I've used the 3M. It's cool.
He used the 3M one, and I haven't used them. He's used them. We're gonna see how these turn out. Alright you guys, so right now we finished buffing the front end of the truck. Right now we're on our way to the car wash to get all the dust off, our fingerprints and all that. So we're gonna see you guys there. Alright guys, so we came back from the car wash already. This is after we finished buffing and polishing the paint. It came out real smoothly, real glass finish. The paint is super soft now. I probably left my fingerprints on here, but the paint is super duper soft. That's gonna be it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. At 1,000 subscribers we will be giving $100 away. And happy New Year's to everybody. Y'all stay safe and have fun. Peace.